Hey guys, so for today's video, we have here Gary Vaynerchuck and Neil Patel on a LinkedIn Deathmatch. Two icons in the digital marketing world. Let's see who wins. So let me know in the comments if you're Team Gary or if you're Team Neil Patel. Let the battle begins.
Round one, fight!
Hey guys, so for round one, let's talk about our cover photos. As you can see, Gary Vaynerchuk is using black and he is focusing on his brands. Unlike on the other side, Neil Patel here is using orange and talking about his services. If you are going to ask me, this style of Neil Patel is much more effective. He's using orange with his eye-catching than black, which is being used by a lot currently. So if you see orange, it will stand out. And if you don't know Gary Vaynerchuk, his brands will not make sense to you at all. Unlike here on Neil Patel, even though you don't know his brand because he's talking about his services, you're getting an idea on who he is. So in that kind of mentality, Neil Patel won this round in terms of getting or having an eye-catching color for his cover photo and also talking about his services other than his brands. So Neil Patel won first round. See you on the next round.
Round two, fight!
So for round two, we are going to check their bio and their contact information. So first, let's check Gary Vaynerchuk again. As you can see, his bio is kind of messy. Unlike on Neil Patel, it's more of a clean, neat looking bio. I meant messy in a way that it's like every information is here, even though the unnecessary ones on the Gary Vaynerchuk side. But if we check their contact information, as you can see, Neil Patel doesn't even have his YouTube channel, while Gary Vaynerchuk took the effort to put almost every website where you can check him out. YouTube, books, and a hire me link. And if you check here, he even put a phone number where you can reach out to him. Even though we all know it's not going to be Gary who's replying to every text messages he's going to receive, it's going to be his team. But still, it's a good thing that people can reach you out or reach out your team. On the other hand, Neil Patel doesn't have any contact information where you can reach him if you need him. And yeah, so Gary Vaynerchuk win the contact information. Neil Patel win the bio in terms of being clean and neat. So this round two will be a draw. So see you on round three, and let's see who wins. So for round three, we are going to check their activities on LinkedIn. So on the left hand side, we have Gary Vaynerchuk, and as you can see, his activities on LinkedIn, he's pretty consistent. He's posting multiple times a day. Same goes with Neil Patel on the right hand side. Right hand side. So as you can see, the same thing. He's posting consistently every day, sometimes multiple times a day, which is a good thing if you're doing digital marketing, especially on LinkedIn. So both of them, in terms of consistency, they have it. So it's a tie, it's a draw. But if we are going to check on featured, Neil Patel is talking about services. Like, he's showing a free guide and he's directing you to his website and yeah, more about marketing. Unlike Gary Vaynerchuk, he's talking about himself again, like what he did for this year, like a monthly recap. And again, the other one is about him, not about his business. So uh, LinkedIn is not about you. It's about the products and services, the business that you have. That is what LinkedIn is about. It's not like Facebook. Same goes, the same logic and same style. They applied it here under cover photo where Gary is talking about his brands, himself, and like Neil Patel is talking about services and how we can help you with your business. So again, with this kind of strategy, Gary sucks talking about himself over and over again, while Neil Patel wins this round for talking about his services, which is what is LinkedIn for. So for round three, again, Neil Patel wins. Let's see you on the next round. For each round, we're going to talk about their experiences and skills. So as you can see here, it's very clear that Gary Vaynerchuk has a lot more experience than Neil Patel. He's been the chairman or CEO of VaynerMedia for over 13 years. On the other hand, Neil Patel has been around for just more than 5 years, and also Gary Vaynerchuk is handling a lot of brands. Unlike Neil Patel, he's focused on just one brand, his Neil Patel Digital. And if you check on skills, they practically have the same skills because they are both icons in the digital marketing world. We don't have time to go over their 50 plus skills, but yeah, based on, I've known them for more than 3 years now. I've been following them. They're practically talking about the same thing, offering the same services. They basically have the same skills. But since Gary Vaynerchuk has a lot more proven experience, this round goes to Gary Vaynerchuk. At last, something around that is won by Gary Vaynerchuk. This round is definitely won by Gary Vaynerchuk. See you on the next round. So in this round, we're going to talk about their about section. So as you can see on the left hand side, Gary Vaynerchuk used a very great strategy here. He's making it sound like there's a third person speaking about himself, speaking about his achievements. On the other hand, Neil Patel is talking about himself. I am a New York Times best-selling author, and on the other hand, Gary Vaynerchuk is a serial entrepreneur. So it seems like somebody's introducing him, which is a good thing. It makes you more credible when somebody's talking about you than you're talking about yourself. So again, in terms of about section, Gary Vaynerchuk win this round in terms of being creative and having a great marketing strategy. So 2 rounds for Gary Vaynerchuk. See you on the next round.
Final round. Fight!
So for the final round, we are going to talk about the remaining parts of their LinkedIn profile. So as you can see, both of them have recommendations. Good. They have tons of recommendations, both of them. But as you can see, that ends there for Neil Patel. Unlike, on the other hand, Gary Vaynerchuk took the effort to put or list down his publications on his LinkedIn profile. Same goes with his honors and awards, and that would make you more credible, like sharing to people your achievements and awards that you've received from other organizations, publications that is recognized by other organizations, makes you more look credible. Unlike on the other hand side, Gary Vaynerchuk talked about his about profile that he's a New York best-selling author, New York Times best-selling author, yet he didn't put his publications here. So, in terms of effort and putting your credibility, letting people know that you really know your stuff, Gary Vaynerchuk win this round. So that's 3 rounds for Gary Vaynerchuk, 3 consecutive winning rounds for Gary Vaynerchuk. So yeah, I was really hoping for Neil Patel. I like Neil Patel, but Gary Vaynerchuk win this round.
Flawless victory.
Hey guys, if you like our video for today, I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Kurt, Director of Business Development of BigLinker. I'm also their digital marketer. If you need any help with your LinkedIn profile, if you need any help getting more business on LinkedIn, please check biglinker.com and book a meeting with us. We will see how we can help you. All right, see you on the next video. Bye bye.